5 foods to eat for lunch to help you lose weight. Different foods take your body through different metabolic pathways. Not all calories are created equal. Here are 5 foods that you can eat for lunch to help you lose weight. Before we begin, please leave a like if you find this information helpful. And if you are new here, please subscribe. And let us know you subscribed in the comments and say hi. We will respond to all of you. Cheers. Number 5, a variety of soups. People tend to eat less calories when meals and diets have a low energy density. Vegetables and fruits, for example, have a low energy density since they contain a lot of water. You can also make a soup by just adding water to your food. Simply avoid using too much fat in your soup, such as cream or coconut milk, as this can drastically boost the calorie count. Number 4, the grapefruit. Where most fruit combinations are good for a healthy lunch, the grapefruit stands out for its effect on weight control. In a 12-week study in 91 obese individuals, eating half a fresh grapefruit before meals led to weight loss of 3.5 pounds. The grapefruit group also had reduced insulin resistance, a metabolic abnormality that is implicated in various chronic diseases. As a result, eating half a grapefruit around half an hour before several of your daily meals may help you feel fuller and consume less calories overall. Number 3, fresh salmon. Salmon is high in protein, healthy fats, and a variety of essential elements. Fatty fish, such as salmon, is extremely healthful and filling, keeping you full for several hours while consuming little calories. Number 2, tuna fish. Tuna is a great high-protein, low-calorie food. It's lean fish, meaning it's low in fat. Tuna is a popular protein source for bodybuilders and fitness models on a diet, as it allows them to increase protein intake while reducing total calories and fat. Number 1, lean beef and chicken breast. Despite the fact that processed meat is bad, research shows that eating unprocessed red meat does not increase the risk of heart disease or diabetes. Because meat is abundant in protein, it is a weight loss-friendly food. Feel free to eat fatty meats if you're on a low-carb diet. If you're on a moderate to high carbohydrate diet, though, lean meats might be a better option. Thank you for watching.